Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on those notifications by clicking that little bell icon. What that'll do is send you a notification anytime that we upload a video. You don't miss out on any of ours, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this world, and you get a sense of how it goes down the road, what it handles like, how it sounds. For all additional information, when we're done here, I want you to go on over to volocars.com, V-O-L-O cars.com. There we have our whole inventory, the selling price, a couple hundred pictures. We're talking inside, outside, under the hood, undercarriage, everything, and a detailed write-up. We want to give you as much information as possible, so when you give us a call to make a purchase, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, everything goes smooth from there. All right, let's go and jump in. Door opens with ease. The interior looks great. I love the color combo with the red and this tan. It's really nice. All right, go ahead and buckle up for safety here. All right, start it up. She starts right up. I'm seeing all the gauges started working. The engine temp's even starting to move a little bit, so that's good. The radio.
And I would never be able to implement them.
Radio works great. The fan. Boy, does that kick on. Looking at the inside, everything's functional. Everything looks great. The seats are actually pretty comfortable, which is really nice. The steering wheel looks great. This is the first time myself or anyone from the shop has a chance to take this out on the road, so we're going to be experiencing everything first time together. I'm going to start off going slow, getting a hang of her, and then I'll open it up a little bit later on in the video. So let's go for a ride. The brake feels nice. Same with the accelerator, pretty responsive. Goes nice and straight down the road. If you turn it to the left a little bit, it turns. A degree to the right, same thing, really nice tight steering. See the speedo working. Really a nice little cruiser. Sounds good going over this bumpy road too. Not hearing any clanks, clunks. Really is a great car. All right, let's open her up a little bit. See how she handles at higher speeds. Really smooth shift. It gets right on up and goes. This isn't going to be your dragster or anything like that, but this has plenty of power, plenty of speed, looks beautiful, handles great. There's there's nothing to dislike about this car. Absolutely gorgeous, performs well. Like a lot of these cars, the only complaint I have is that I don't own it. Really good turning radius right there. What a fun car. Absolutely lovely. Like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, check out the pictures, the write-up, and then give our sales team a call. We're selling cars like crazy now. So as always, I appreciate you.